No down payment terms. Legit ba? Or scam lang? Totoo ba yung no down payment or baka scam lang? So don't worry, this is legit, especially with Mega World projects. So very popular siya kasi hindi mo kailangan maglabas ng malaking amount upfront. So you can start for as low as 18,000 monthly only. However, on top of your monthly, we have what you call a lump sum or balloon payment. So you will pay it every once a year only. So every 12, 24, 36, up to 60th of the month. Balloon payment is separate from your regular monthly equity. And it's already part of your payment schedule from the start pa lang. So kung iniisip mo na kung safe ba mag-invest kahit no down payment, the answer is yes. Basta sa tamang developer ka at agent ka kukuha. Kaya I make sure that my client fully understand the payment terms before they commit. So if you have more questions, you can follow me and message me directly on this page.